the hunting dogs and the fox. A pack of hunting dogs went into the forest to find food and found the remains and skin of a lion in a pile. The dogs each chewed on the remains and were enjoying the meal, when a fox walked by and asked, "You dogs are the ones who have killed this lion?" "No," the dogs replied. "We found this lion dead already when we entered the forest." When the fox heard their reply, it said, "If that lion was still alive, you dogs would be sure to find out that the claws of a lion are much sharper than your teeth." Attacking the defenseless is not the way to prove or test your abilities.